go. What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Freedom. Speech today, people. Today, people, I'm reacting to a World Cup song, people, by two of the most dopest artists, people across the world. Shout out to everyone who's put me onto this song right here, man. This song dropped a couple of hours ago. And yeah, people, man, it just seems like everyone's getting their World Cup song in the bag right now. You know what I mean? Everyone's like, yo, I gotta make an anthem from my country and represent my people to the fullest, or maybe just make a song in it for the World Cup, and you know what I mean, probably getting like a little buzz from it and stuff like that. Maybe just done it for fun. But yeah, people, man, everyone's getting their little World Cup rhythm and theme in. You know what I'm saying? And people, that's my dog snoring, by the way. Just to let you know, that's my dog. It's my dog. It's my dog. Okay. Yeah, it's not a human. It's a dog snoring in the background. Just to let you guys know. It's not me. It's no one else. It's my dog. But anyway, people, let's get into this one right about now. It's proper loud, isn't it, people? Let's go. Oh, let's go. Hey, let's go. What she say? She said the feeling's getting a little bit closer, yeah? You know when you can just smell it, people, when you can just say to yourself, I can smell it, it's coming closer, but soon it will just be here, you know what I mean? Like, you know, it will be here soon, you know what I'm saying, people? It will be here soon. Sooner than you can believe, it will be here. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those ones, people. And it's not too long. How long until the World Cup is here? I think isn't it like 3 weeks time, by the end of this month or something like that, or the start of next month, isn't it? It is. I think they're just doing like warm-up matches, isn't it, just to get their players fit, in it, so until the tournament.
Take the spot. There only can be one at the top. Try to keep up with me if you got what it takes. You better shoot if you got the shot. So if you wanna try to get what's mine, hurry.
Jeez. Her choreography is crazy, people, man. That's one thing I like about her, man. That's one thing I like about when I first got into her and stuff like that. She definitely has got like, yo, if I get this wrong, I'm gonna keep redoing it again. Like, she's one of those ones that are proper perfectionists, isn't it? In their craft. And obviously there's nothing bad about it, but you wanna show people that, yo, oh my god, look at this person, look at me. You know what I'm saying? Like, she's a perfectionist. You can see it in her videos and music that she puts in and stuff like that. How much work she puts in, dedication. go.
Le plus grand des trophées pour la meilleure compétition. Dis-moi d'où tu viens.
Ooh. No, people. I've seen him. His name about. Like I've heard like little snippets of him, but I never like reacted to any of his music. You know what I mean? Until now, innit? Until people told me in the comment section to like react to his music, innit, and stuff like that. What a perfect timing, innit, people? You know, what a perfect timing. What a perfect timing. People told me to react to. Finally.
Montre-moi la couleur de ton blason. Sortez les drapeaux. C'est parti top chrono. La Copa del Mundo. La Copa del Mundo. Face à face, faudra pas faire ton face à face. Supporter, tellement fier. Tout le monde veut prendre la première place. Énergie, énergie. Stade en folie, tout le monde.
The energy. Jeez. Yeah, you definitely need the energy, people, man. Definitely need the energy. Right there.
La Copa del Mundo. La Copa del Mundo.
So if you wanna try to get what's mine, hurry up, you ain't got too much time. For a chance to regret, oh you better not forget. Filet wahda,
La Copa del Mundo.
for the night is over.
La Copa del Mundo.
It's getting closer.
La Copa del Mundo.
Filet wahda.
La Copa del Mundo.
I am a warrior, a warrior. I am a warrior, a warrior. Filet wahda, the night is over. It's getting closer. Filet wahda.
La Copa del Mundo. La Copa del Mundo. La Copa del Mundo. La Copa del Mundo.
There you go, people. There you go, people. People, man, what a anthem. What a anthem for the World Cup, innit? People, if there's any other World Cup songs from other different type of artists, please leave it down in the comment section, man, because I want to react to all the ones that come out, you know what I mean, from different type of artists from across the world itself, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, people,